Rainier Cherries. Are they ready to be harvested?
Yeah, because they're getting eaten. This one has friggin' half of it eaten.
So we have that, and then we have some more.
There are some in other spots that are gone already, so of course, just like the other cherry tree, and they're all gone. There.
Not bad. We have a little bit. Not much.
Not as many as I thought we were gonna have.
Oops, sun. We have some here. Looks like the bird got it or something. That looks like a Rainier. It's a big one too, like an inch.
The good size Rainiers, the problem is something's eating them, and that and the lack of bees, they're not many cherries didn't get pollinated, so they ended up just falling off the tree.
We definitely have more buds than we have fruits right now.
Yeah, and the other tree didn't get one friggin' cherry. It might have had a couple, I think exploded.
That's pretty big. I mean, look at my hand with that thing. That's a good size.
Yeah, I wish the tree was packed like they should be.
Well, I guess it's better to have a little bit than nothing.
Well, let's see. If you figure out the amount of cherries that we got by the amount of water it takes a year to produce on a tree, these are some expensive cherries.
Yep. There's not a lot. Looks like the ants are getting it too. There's one that's eaten by the ants. There's even an ants on it right now. Ah, silly ants. Where are you, ants? Bad ants.
Yeah, I'll just put them in here for now.
You want me to grab the one that is there? Too bad. Too bad.
Well,
that's sad.
Not even get a half of a cherry out of this once
That's
we cut
pretty
it.
sad.
But we'll get some cherry seeds.
Oh yeah, we can save the seeds.
One, and they left one for the people. They're trying to be fair about it.
Yeah. Not too selfish about ants. Get a little bit of, sharing going on. Thank you, ants. Thank you, ants, for your sharing.
Yeah, they would just pay half the damn bill.
Well, unfortunately they don't. Hey, look at that. This one, I don't know what to do with that. Here we go. Where are you? There. So are we gonna harvest everything?
Yeah, they're eating them.
Some of these are kind of yellowish. They're fine now. There we go.
I've already found a couple and we're just pissed.
Oh.
get into the bucket.
Here we go. Bye bye. You're going to be eaten now. Oh, this is so good. I don't want to pluck it. Well, sorry. You're going to the stomach. Ugh. There's another one. Oh, hold on. That was sad. Yeah, true. Alright, there's another one. Where are you now? There you go. There's another one here. I can see some over there, but I cannot reach it from here. There's another one over there. Someplace. There, come here. Okay.
So you got everything from this side?
As far as I can see, yeah. Okay, so far this is our cherry. A little bit of strawberry there. It's so small, but I guess it's better than last year. Since last year, how many did we have?
3.
3? This is a lot more.
3 by the time we picked them because the ants had eaten everything else.
Yeah, this is definitely better. There, because
fortunately our other tree ended up getting 0 from it.
right here I can see one. Where are you? Right here. You're getting it. You're close.
Hope you're not talking about that.
No, I right very close to where that one was. Found it. There you are. Woohoo! Treasure! Oh no! Well, so much for that. Another one of those? There's one right there. On another branch.
Probably should have gone longer, but if I would have left it, it would be gone.
Right there above it, above your hand. There you go. Yay. There you go. I think that's it. How many do we have? How many good ones? Oh, we lose a lot of leaves. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Ew. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, nope, 17. Look how perfect that is. Yay. 17 good ones. Not bad. Well, that one doesn't count.
That's
Zero.
sad. There were
Ew.
thousands of blossoms.
Well, there's nothing we can do, I guess. So 17 cherries.
I have to run a bee.
Eatable.
I have to run a beehive or something.
Yum. Well, this is our harvest for the year. 17
and a couple extra seeds, huh?
and some, you know, eaten by the ants. Right here. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 there, 3 here. There's another one. So 5, 3, and we have 17 good ones.
So 8 seeds, 17, given 25 total.
25. Well, at least we have
That's
more than the
awful.
ants have.
See, so I knew it was that when I found a cherry on the other side of the yard, and then I found a cherry out in our front yard. And I was like, oh no.
Front yard.
Yes.
So all of this came from one tree.
Yes.
The other one didn't get any.
It's naked.
That's just sad.
It's naked.
That's crazy.
I know, because it looks so big.
Because there was a lot of blossom in that one.
I can't find one cherry on there. I can't even find one cherry pit that's left.
Yeah, look at how beautiful that tree is. It didn't produce any. Boo. So that one didn't get any. This one, we got a little bit. A little bit is better than nothing.
For the size of the tree, we should have had a bucket.
Yeah. Well, compared to last year, this is definitely better. We're ready, so this is it. Time to eat it.
Well, it's time to go and tie up the other trees.
Okay.